Well, hey, how you guys doing? I know a couple people asked me what happened to the plants that I had on December 10th when I planted those seedlings and they germinated. Well, here's where I've been keeping them at. I had to excuse it. It's what we use as the food barn. It's, my little project that I've been working on. As you can see, these are the plants from December 10th. Still have them, still big and pretty. Some of these probably be going out for sale hopefully in the next couple weeks. We've been having some cold weather here in North Carolina, but like I said, this is a project as I'm trying to convert this over to a grow. I have my lights, but these are the plants that I planted December 10th. Yeah, you can see some of the ladybugs. You can see the ladybugs on them. Ladybugs are cool. They keep them clean, keep all the pests away. But yeah, they're sitting out here. They haven't flowered yet, but some of them have got kind of very big stalks. Look how big the stalk is on them. Planted December 10th. And this is a Trinidad. So yeah, I got different kinds. I got some Carolina Reaper. Well, this is a yellow Trinidad Mongol scorpion. We got some death spirals, other stuff. Kind of big. Got some Carolina Reapers down here. But like I said, spring don't start for us basically to really start planting outside to like April. So here it is now, February 13th. And they're still looking pretty. Fertilize them every day. And I had a lot of people in my comments asking me what kind of fertilizer I use. I really don't use too much fertilizer until they get a little bit bigger. I get some information on that later, what kind I use. But what I just start off with is this right here. For the first 35 to 45 days, this is what I use till they get bigger. And this is what I use. It has the fertilizer in it. And it's, I'll let you guys see, it's a 30-pound. But yeah, this is what I kind of use. So, this is something, I'm doing an experiment. Nothing professional. I'm not a professional here. Not a professional. This is an experiment, and just hoping for the best. Hoping for the best. Right down here now, it's like 60 degrees. I got a gas heater over here. It keeps it warm. It's kind of half insulated, as you can see. But I got a couple more lights I'm gonna set up, make it a little different. So, guys, just keep following me, subscribing to AJ's Pepper Patch. My name is Jasper Daniel, and hopefully I can show you guys my whole experience this year with my pepper patch and what I'm growing. It's first for me going on big scale like this. I've done conventional where I've grown 140, 150, 160 peppers. But this year I'm trying to get a little bit more, maybe 300-400 pepper plants. So just follow my channel. I'm gonna show you every pepper that I have, the descriptions, what it looks like little, all the way up to what it gets big and it starts having the beautiful pods and the beautiful peppers that we all like to taste and see. So just subscribe and follow my channel, and hopefully you'll see what the adventures I get into this year. Y'all have a nice day.